Okay, so this is my account, right? Now, for me to access my ads manager, come to the left, follow my cursor, click on see more. When you click on see more, can you see ads manager? Ads manager. Click on ads manager. The first thing you need to do, please pay attention. If you look up here, you can see a drop down. So if you click on this drop down, if you have many ads account, this is the place where you need to select the right ads account. This one here is my ads account that is linked to my Facebook account, which I don't want to use it because it's not actually a professional ads account. Most of you already have this ads account created by Facebook because you created a Facebook account. That's why you can post on Facebook and everything without creating all this stuff. And that's why they always ban your account as well. So I'm not going to use this. You use the ads account that is under your business manager account. Like I told you, you see business portfolio. Ngala Mana said, this is my business manager account. And this business manager account has two ads account under. So if I click on it, you can see two ads account. One, dollar ads account. Two, Manas ads account. Before you start anything here, make sure you have selected the right ads account. So now I'm going to select Manas ads account because this is the ads account I want to use, or this is the ads account I always use. So I'll select this account. Okay, so now this is my ads account. I've selected the right ads account. So now we are here. Make sure to select the right ads account, please. This is the right ads account. Now click on create, this green box, click on it, create. This first step is called campaign. So we have three. We have one, campaign. Two, ad set. Three, ads. Campaign is where you select the objective. Do you want messaging? Do you want leads? Do you want page followers? Do you want app installs? As you can see, this is it here. We have awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion. Like I said, I teach lead generation only. I don't teach all these sales, app promotion whatsoever. I don't do that. So here we have two objectives that we will use. One, engagement. Two, leads. You can still get leads through this engagement objective. That's the first one that we are going to do because it's the easiest. Now click on engagement, click on continue. Pay attention, select manual engagement campaign, click on it, click on continue. Now this is it. So like I said, this first step here, you have selected the objective, which is engagement objective. The second step here, the 4 boxes, is ad set. That's where you set everything, the location, the target audience whatsoever. And then the last one is the ads, where you put your images or videos, right? So this is the first step. You don't touch anything here. What you do here, the only thing you can do here is you can rename it to, maybe let's say if you're a real estate agent, house campaign. I don't know, this name is actually funny, but please, I'm just doing it for the purpose of this class. Click on next. You can see this next here, click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to take you to the next step. Remember I told you we have three. So the next step is ad set, which is ad setting. You can rename it as well. I'm not going to rename it. Come to conversion location, message destinations. Click on it, allow it here, message destination. If you put on your ads, people will like your ads, they will comment on it, nobody will message you. If you choose website, you want people to pass through your website first before they message you. If you choose Facebook page, that's when you want to grow your Facebook page. But no, we are not growing Facebook page. We are just going in for, we want people to message us. Come down. This is the right page, you can see. If yours is not the right page, you can click on this pencil icon and you select the right page. This is the only page I have. So message destination. People can message you on Messenger. People can message you on Instagram. People can message you on WhatsApp. Me, to be honest, I usually use WhatsApp. I don't use Messenger or Instagram. I haven't tried it before. I'm just sticking to what works for me. But please, you must not follow me. You can test all of them. So you don't use all as well. If you are using Messenger, uncheck Instagram, uncheck WhatsApp. So me, I'm using WhatsApp. I'm going to uncheck Messenger and check WhatsApp. Sorry, I'm going to check WhatsApp and uncheck Messenger. If you don't have an option for WhatsApp here, it's because you have not connected your phone number. First, you need to download WhatsApp Business. You must have WhatsApp Business. And then, when you've created the WhatsApp Business account, is it account? Yes. With your phone number that you want to use, click on connect another number. When you click on connect another number here, it's loading. You add your phone number, select the country. You can actually here you can select Cameroon, you can select Ghana, whatsoever. Put the number, click continue. They will send you a message to your WhatsApp number, and then you put the code and you save it here. You come and confirm here. Sorry, you confirm here, and then you can now use that number. People can message you through that number on WhatsApp. You scroll down. Performance goal, maximize number of conversations is okay. Come down. Budget, you can start with 2,000 naira per day. 2,000 naira per day. You can start with 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000. The higher the budget, the higher the results. So let me say 2,000. Then you can scale up when you've gotten results, because this one is actually a test. You don't know if it's going to perform well or not, so you need to start small. There's something called scaling. We have vertical and horizontal scaling. That one I'm not going to teach you in this class. It's in my advanced class, because it's going to confuse you. You know, Facebook ads is actually complex. It's not easy as we think. So that one is actually in my advanced class. But yeah, we start with 2,000. Start date. You can select your start date. But I prefer to always come back here when I'm done setting everything. Why? If you set this date, right now the time is 2 minutes past 3. If you set it to if you want the ad to start running by 3:30, if you put 3:30 and by the time you finish doing everything here and then you click on publish, when 3:30 has already passed, the ad will not run. You need to come and restart or redo everything. So I prefer to leave it like this, or I might set it 5 hours ahead, so that no matter what I do here, I'm not going to before the time wants to reach, I must have finished doing everything and then just click on publish for it to run at that time. Do you understand? But you can decide to, let me say 12, or let me say 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. So if you are setting it like 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, there's no need for you to come back. You can just set it and then do whatever you're doing. I hope you understand, because you cannot use the whole day setting up your ad, so it's not going to exceed the time. You can do whatever you want to do now gradually without being in a haste. You can set an end date to it, but you're not going to set an end date to it. If you set an end date, you tell Facebook that you want to stop this ad by this time. So Facebook will, whether they see people that are interested or not, they will want to exhaust your funds, the money that you've put there fast, so that before that day or before the date you set, they must have exhausted your money. Do you understand? So they will not take their time. But if you don't tell them the day you stop the ad, they will take their time to look for the right people. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. So you can set an end date, you can test it, but I prefer not to set an end date. I'll show you how to turn off your ad when you don't want it to run using your mobile phone. There's an app I'll tell you to download later on. Scroll down. Here, locations. You can now choose. Here, locations you can choose. So if you want it to run only in Cameroon, you can choose. You can choose only Cameroon. If you want Nigeria, you can choose only Nigeria. If you want Ghana, you can choose only Ghana. If you want all, you can select all. But please, I prefer you go with one country at a time, unless you have a very large budget. So if I've selected Nigeria, right? Now this is Nigeria. If I want only cities in Nigeria to see my ads, you can come here. You see this drop down. Click on this drop down. You select only include cities. That's it. So it's going to show to 56 cities in Nigeria. If I want only exclude cities, village people to see my art. I can exclude cities. Now if I want a particular city in Nigeria only, example, if you have a business that you sell only to a particular location, let me say in Nigeria you sell only to people in Abuja, you cancel it here, you can cancel it and select. So in location, search locations, you can select just Abuja, you can select Abuja only, that's it. So your ad is going to show only to people in Abuja, only to people in Abuja. Even with that, you can select the radius that you want people in Abuja to see your art. So if you want only people between a certain range to see your art, you can use this drop down here, and select it. You see, as I'm zooming in, you can now carry it, you can now click on this plus. This plus is to zoom in. Then this pin, this drop pin, you click on this drop pin, and then click on this drop pin down here. Then you zoom. So I want people in a particular place to see my art in Abuja. I can come now. I want only people at Masaka to see my art. So I'll click on this drop in and I'll drop it here. So have you seen? Only people in Masaka, this is the round circle. Only people in Masaka will see my art. I can now cancel Abuja. So only people in Masaka, Abuja will see my art. Do you get? I hope you understand. But I always advise you to, if you want people in Abuja to see your art, unless your business is actually the kind of business that is strictly for people in a particular area, you can do this. But most times I'll advise you to leave maybe Abuja or Nigeria as a whole, because if you see by the side, these errors are coming up because I have an issue with my phone number. Yours is not going to show like this. Mine is showing like this because I have an issue with my mobile, with my WhatsApp number. So now when you come here by the side, audience definition, when you see the audience size 146,000 is too small, at least always make sure your audience is above 2 million, so that Facebook have enough people to show your ads to and see which one or which people will resonate or will message you from your ads. But if you make your audience too thin, your cost per message or cost per lead is going to be very high. It's going to limit Facebook. You are putting Facebook in a box. Do you understand? So that's why I say you can select just Abuja as a whole. So now Facebook will test it has a lot of people to show your ads to, and let's see which one or which people will resonate with your ads. So now, have you seen that it has changed? It's now broad and it's showing green. When it shows green, it means your audience size is okay. 6.5 million to 7.6 million. So you see. So what I've just taught you now is like, I'm teaching you something that you need to understand. You can test different things here on your own. You will not follow everything I say. I'm just giving you a template. There's difference between cramming and understanding. So what I'm showing here is for you to understand and then go and explore. Don't just cram everything and just want to just do exactly. I mean, you are not a robot, you are a human being. You need to be flexible. So you can test, you can select all, you can select a particular area, you can select many countries, you can select one country, you can select the whole of Nigeria. You can just do. That's the good thing with Facebook. You test, see which one works best. Then you put all your money, all, including your savings. Hey, I'm joking. Just put your money there and you see a lot of results. But at the early stage, you test and see which one works best. So you come down, you can click on show more. Minimum age, people from 18 and above, you can leave it. You can come down again, advantage plus, switch to original audience. I know they won't show it. So you saw what I did there, or should I do it again? So when you click on switch to original audience, right, you see you can select people that want them to see your ads. people that are 65 plus, they might not be interested in your ads. I mean, they are old people. So you can select this drop down and you put, let me say, you want people that are from 18 to 48, any age range you know that are your target audience. Is it targeted audience or target audience? Anyway, so let's say from 18 to 48, those are the people that want them to see my ad. You can decide and put the age range of people, or yeah, the age of the kind of people that I want them to see your ad. All genders. If I'm doing, even if you're a woman selling women product, obviously you select just women, or you select just men, or you select all. I teach people how to run ads, so I always select all. Come down, placements, advantage plus placements. You can leave it there. Facebook is going to show your ads to people on their Facebook feeds, on inside their inboxes. Anywhere you go to, Facebook will show you your ads. But if you want Facebook to show your ads to people, only people that are scrolling on Facebook feed or Instagram feed, you can select here under these placements. So let me click on 80. Now, so you see we have two options, advantage plus recommended, because Facebook is trying to make users rely on their AI, which is advantage plus, to use his intelligence or artificial intelligence to put your ad in front of the right people. But most times some people go manual, some people go with advantage plus. So just test, like I said. So let's say I want manual. Let's say I just ran an ad and the people that are messaging me from Facebook were very unserious people. So I can select manual placements and then choose only Instagram, on select audience network, on select Facebook, on select Messenger. So only people on Instagram are going to see my ads. Only people on Instagram, because Facebook users are unserious. But to be honest, Instagram, people that are from Instagram are very serious than people that are from Facebook. So if you want that, you can select just Instagram. And then come now to stories and reels. You can select people to see, people that let your ad show on Instagram reels. Let your ad, click on this drop down. Here you can unselect the ones that you don't want, places where you don't want your ads to show, even though it's on Instagram, but you want your ads to show only on Instagram reels. You can select it, close it. You can decide to select all. So you want Facebook and Instagram, you can select it. Right, you can select it. So if you select Facebook, you can decide also you don't want people people that are going to, let's say, stories. You don't want your ads to show on people's story, you can unselect it. You don't want your ads to show on people's Facebook profile feed, you can unselect it. Just go through it and select the ones that you like. But most times I just leave it at advantage plus placements. Let Facebook do what it knows how to do best. So you can select also the device. You want people only on people that are with mobile phones to see your ads. You can select either only mobile or desktop. So if you are using a desktop, you'll not be able to see my ads. If you are using a mobile phone, you'll not be able to see my ads. I can choose that from here. People use this most times when they create landing pages. In my advanced course, I explain what a landing page is. So here I'm not going to expatiate on that because it's not really necessary. So that is it. Just go through it gradually. I know it's a little bit confusing, but if you follow each step, you will get everything without any complication. So you click on next. Click on next. You can select ad name. You can select image 1 or video, right? Image 1. So you can select video 1, anything you want to use. So image 1. Scroll down, you select the page. See, my page has been selected, the Instagram account has been selected. Create ad. You leave it ad setup. Click on this drop down. You click on use existing post when the post that you want to use to run your ads is already on your page. Maybe your Facebook or Instagram page. You choose use existing post. But if the post that you want to run the ads is not on your Facebook or Instagram page, you use create ads. I hope you understand. Scroll down. So you can select a single image or a video. You can select a carousel. I hope you know what carousel is. You can put many pictures so people can swipe and see. They call it swipe post as well. So you can scroll down and then you set up creative. This is where you now select the creative, either an image or a video. So let me say image. Select an image. I will write my primary text here. I will write my description here. So let me explain something. So remember I told you a simple strategy I used to set up my high converting Facebook ads. Now we have used engagement to generate leads. We have selected the right audience by choosing the age range and the country we want. For cool, custom, warm and lookalike audience, these ones are high level stuff, so it's in my advanced course as well. I'm not going to talk about it here. Now, number 3, create ads copy. So where you see primary text, that's where you put your ad copy. I'm going to explain what ad copy is later on. So I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create your ad copy. Then using scroll stopping creative, either image, videos or carousel, you could see it there. So let me show you. You could see it there. You could see the primary text. This is where you put it, and then headline, you put it here, chat with us. Click on next. The scroll stopping creative, this media, that's where you upload it. So you can select an image, either an image that you posted or a video that you posted on your Instagram account. Right, these are images that I have. Then these are images that I have on my page, Facebook page. So I can select any one here. So let me just say let me select this one that's on my Facebook page, or select this one that's on my Facebook page. Click on next. Click on next. And then click on okay, that's it. So you'll be able to see a preview. When you scroll down here, you'll be able to see a preview here. So you see this is a preview of it. It's a preview of it. Now, after you've selected your image, right, you can see this image has no text, which is called ads copy. Like I told you before, it has no text. So we will need to create an ads copy. We need to create an ads copy. So when you selected the creative, remember I told you creatives are the videos, the carousel, or the images you use. So this, you can see ads creative. This is the creative I've selected. The primary text, which is the ads copy, you paste it here. So you come here and search for ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free. Just search for ChatGPT on Google, and then you'll be able to access it and do what I am doing here. If you're a good copywriter, I can go ahead and write, but me, I'm not a good copywriter, so ChatGPT helps me write my copies. So if you come back here, I said I'll show you how to create an ads copy using the AIDA or PAS model. So let's use AIDA. Use any of these models. I'll just show you how to use it, so you can use any of them when you want to create an ads copy in ChatGPT. So AIDA. Let me write it before I forget. Cancel AIDA. What am I doing? AIDA. You can put all in capital letter or in small letter, don't mind me. AIDA. So you can tell ChatGPT, hey, I sell bread, and I want an ad copy for my Facebook ads. I want an ad copy for my Facebook ads, or Facebook and Instagram ads, using Facebook ads. Please use the AIDA model, and then click on click on OK. So ChatGPT is just like a human. You must not, like I told you, you are not cramming what I'm teaching you. You need to understand. So you can speak to ChatGPT the way you want. There are ways to speak to ChatGPT to give you excellent results. There are courses on that also, but I don't teach that, please. Those are advanced courses, how to use AI. So if you scroll down, you see ChatGPT has given you an art copy, right? Freshly baked bread straight to your table. Attention. So it's going to grab attention, desire, interest, and action. Right? Right? So that's a full meaning of AIDA. It means attention, interest, desire, and action. So using this model is something that people have used, so they know what human beings like. So this has created something that's going to grab people's attention, their interest, and their desire, and then a call to action. Oh, let's say I'll just copy everything. Just copy everything. Just copy everything. Then I'll edit them there. Copy. Come to Art Manager. Art Manager. Paste everything. Then you can edit it so that it's not going to look like AI. At least read what you've pasted. Don't just paste something and then start to run art. Remove this attention. That was ChatGPT telling us what each line means. Remove this interest. Remove this desire. Remove the word desire. Remove the word action. You can, if there's a link, you can leave it, but I don't have any link here, so I'm going to remove this. Click the link below. So this is what ChatGPT has given me. So just use ChatGPT to create yours. Speak to it, it's going to give you. But use this, you can use this model, or you can use the other model I showed you. You can refer back to it, to the presentation, and you'll see the other model there. So this primary text is going to show here. Wait, let me scroll down. It's going to show here. Have you seen? If you click on see more, so when people see your art, sponsored, freshly baked, everything is here. And then this headline is going to appear. Chat with us. It's going to be here, so you can see under WhatsApp, chat with us. That's the headline. Anything you put here, headline is going to change. So this is the headline, and this is the primary text. This is the primary text, and this is the creative. So scroll down. Call to action. Send WhatsApp message, because you've selected WhatsApp. If it's Instagram, you can choose. No, it's okay. If it's Instagram, they'll show you chat with us on Instagram, or send us an Instagram email message. So scroll down. Message template. You want an automatic message or a default message that when people just click on your art, it can actually appear. So you click on edit. Click on edit here. Hi, please let us know how we can help you. This is the default. You can put whatever message you like. You can put hello, thank you for contacting Manas. Would you like to learn more? So you can put here. Then pre-filled message is, so if somebody clicks on your ad, the person's message, the first message that is going to come from the person will be hello, can I get more info? I don't know if you understand. So you can put any message you like here. You can put can I learn more? So you can put can I learn more? Save this template, then that's it. So have you seen? Hi, please let us know. So when somebody clicks on my ad, the first message they're going to pop up is hi, please let us know how we can help you. That's me saying it. How did I create it? Yeah. How can I change it? Yeah. Scroll down. Can I learn more? This is what the person that wants to contact you will automatically see. If the person the person can delete this and put whatever he or she likes to send. Then you click on save. Please follow each step so that you know message me and start to ask me questions that I've already answered here. I beg. Okay, so this is it. Greetings. This is what you greet them. Pre-filled message. This is what the customer is going to send that you have written. You can decide to remove it if you like. So come down. and that is all. You are good to go. This was a very long class, so just make sure to go through everything, see if everything is okay, the creative is okay, the text has no error, the call to action is okay, and then you can click on, you see, you can click on publish. We are not done. There's something called testing with Facebook ads. You have just one image here. This image might not work, people might not engage with this image. So whenever you're running ads, you need to test different images. How do you test them? When you set this one, you can come back here. You see this three dot beside this image, you can click on it. You see duplicate, click on duplicate. How many copies? Oh, I recommend you testing 3 different creatives. So you can test 1 an image, 2 a video, 3 a carousel or a video, anything. You can select different kind of videos. Some videos might bring more results, some videos might not bring more results. So just create 3 different creatives, either image, either a video, either a carousel, and test. So let's say you select 2 copies, click on duplicate. So when you click on duplicate, you can see there are 3 other creatives under this ad setting. 3 different ads, which is called creatives as well. So let me select this first one. That's why I named the first one image 1. So this one I'm going to name it image 2. Image 2. So I'm not going to be confused. I'll know which one is bringing results and which one is not. Select this one, image 3. We have image 1, image 2, image 3. Yours can be image 1, video 2, carousel 3, or video 3. Yours can be video 1, video 2, video 3. Like, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You can test whatever you want to test, but make sure you have various creatives to see which one is going to perform well. So that 2,000 that you are going to use, or the 5,000 that you want to use per day, when this ad starts to run, Facebook is going to test all these creatives and see which one performs best. But when you run the ads for 3 days or 2 days, give it some time, give Facebook time to test the ads and see which one performs best. At times the ad might not perform today where one creative might not be performing well, the other one is performing a little bit well. For maybe when you start running the ads and then you turn it off, or you turn the one that's not performing well off and leave the one that is performing a little bit. For, let's just say you started running it today and then by evening you have already done that change. It is very wrong. You need to give Facebook time. Maybe the one that's performing now will stop performing the next day, and then the one that's not performing will pick up the next day. So give 24 hours or 72 hours or 48 hours for Facebook to test, and then you can conclude that okay, this one is not doing well. You turn it off. I'm going to show you how to turn it off. You turn the creative that is not working, it's not performing very well, off, and leave the one that is performing on. So like I said, the same thing, you just come and change you can leave it on. This is image 3, create ad. You can use existing post or you can create an ad. So I'm going to use existing post. You can select the post. You can select the post from Instagram or Facebook, anyone, right? These are videos. So I can select this one. I can select this one. Change it. I'm not going to do that now. Come to image 3. But if I select a video, I'm going to change it from image to video 3 or variation 3 or anything. Come here, you change it, use existing post, use the post I want to use, a different post like I said. So that's it. So when you're done changing everything, as for the text, the ads copy, please leave it to let all the 3 creatives have one ads copy. When you figured out which creative works best, you can now decide to start testing the ads copy. You can start to change the ads copy, because as with Facebook, you test everything. You test videos, you test the text, which is the ad copy that I said, you test the location, you test the audience, you test a lot of things. But for now, we are not going to go into that. Just leave the ads copy, change all the images, then you click on this publish. I cannot publish now because, like I said, I have problem with my WhatsApp number. But when you click on publish, you see 1 ad successful, 1 ad setting successful, and 3 ads successful. When you are done, you cancel it, and then you are good to go. Okay, no, sorry, come back to campaign. This is campaign, this is ad set. If you want to switch, this is campaign here on your ads manager dashboard. This is campaigns, this is ad setting, this is ads. I've already explained what all these things are. I'm not going to explain again. So another way you can test is, okay, this is a house campaign, right? You can create a new campaign. So this is the first campaign we created. Instead to have different creatives under that one ad setting, you can just put one creative there. Then come and create a new campaign. Follow the same step. Then when you go there, the place for creative, you choose a different creative. Create another campaign. So everybody has a strategy. With Facebook, you don't know which one is going to work for you, but just test and see which one works best. So you can use multiple creatives under one ad setting, or you can use one creative under one ad setting under one campaign. Then come and create again another new campaign with the same ad setting but with a different creative. Create another campaign with the same setting but with a different creative. I hope you understand. That's another way to test. So that is it, guys, for generating leads using engagement objective. Now I'm going to show you how to turn off your ads and to monitor your ads using your mobile phone, and then from there I'll show you also how to use your phone and run ads this way. I've explained everything here, so I'm just going to show you how to use your phone, but I'm not going to explain in details. I'm just going to show you some few things. So see you in the next class.